What's going on YouTube? It's your boy, it's Mike J today, installing a Billet Technologies oil catch can on my boy's 2017 Dodge Charger. Alright guys, like I said before, this is a oil catch can from Billet Technologies. This is a kit. Just be advised that they do have a pretty long wait. I think my buddy said it took him about 4 months to get this thing. But installation is pretty simple. You pretty much just gotta screw on the oil catch can right here. We pop this thing out and then attach the hoses, but we'll break it down. So like I said earlier, all he's gonna do is gonna pop that off. There you go. As soon as he puts some muscle into it. Alright, next part is going to take this tubing off. Simple enough. So you guys might have to actually cut the tubing a little bit because they come in a certain size, but looks like it's gonna be a little too long. So you just have to cut it a little bit. And then this next one just goes right here. So that first tubing is done. We do the same thing for the one that's connected to the air filter box. Same thing, we have to cut that one as well.
Sometimes it's a little hard. Recommend something a little bit more heavier duty to cut it.
There you have it guys. 2017 Dodge Charger SRT. Billet Technologies oil catch can. Pretty simple install. Just FYI, the way he's gonna do this is every time he gets an oil change, he's gonna open this up. It's brand new, that's why there's nothing in here. But pretty much to dump out the oil, he's gonna do it every oil change. I'll get this shit back on.